Hello guys, welcome to brand new What If. This is God channel. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and encourage me to do more content like this. Press the bell icon to get every update. What if Beerus woke up 3 years late part 2? Let's continue this timeline with the Goku Black arc. After the battle against Frieza, a few weeks have passed. During that time, Bulma working on a capsule corp houses for Goku and Vegeta to stay on Monster Island. Since being a park ranger is basically a job, CJ allows to Goku to do it. Bulma tells two Saiyans capsule should be ready within 5 days. Goku tells Vegeta that they should be trained within the hyperbolic time chamber before training with 17. Reason is the other current level. Training with 17 is would just be overkill. Goku also said that Dende updated time chamber, so there is no time limit. They are want to use time chamber straight a year and 2 days of outside training and 2 days rest. They are begin to train in time chamber. Goku's goal is full control of Super Saiyan 3. Goku achieved it completely in time chamber. Goku already training for mastering Super Saiyan 3 before Frieza arrival, so that's why he fully completed it now with the help of Vegeta. Vegeta also improves a lot. Now Goku using Super Saiyan 3 using like his normal Super Saiyan form without draining any stamina, and Vegeta also surpassed Goku in his Super Saiyan and Super Saiyan 2 forms. That his Super Saiyan 2 form is more stronger than Goku's Super Saiyan 2. But still Goku has the Super Saiyan 3 and Goku uses Kaioken times 20 on top of Super Saiyan 3. But Vegeta actually satisfies because of Vegeta defeats Goku so many times in time chamber. Goku and Vegeta emerges from time chamber stronger than ever. That their base full powers is stronger than their full powers before time chamber training. Besides, Gohan also training himself hardly. After Frieza saga, Gohan realizes that he can't depend every time on them to save the earth, because not even Goku and Vegeta fusion can't scratch Golden Frieza. There is no 70, they are supposed to be dead now. After taking 2 days rest, Vegeta receives capsule from Bulma and Goku teleport themselves to Lookout. Well, Dende bring them to Monster Island. During that travel, Dende reveals the Saiyans about a boy with incredible fighting talent, the reincarnation of Majin Buu, Oob. Goku and Vegeta states name of the Oob and promise to remember him. They soon arrive Monster Island, upgraded by 17, who gives them a welcome as well as their uniforms. 17 explains their job until Goku and Vegeta again jumped by Cell Jr. They have a little scuffle. Before the Cell Jr. recognized their uniform and sees 17. They apologize, then runs off leaving. The Saiyans completely confused. After doing their park ranger duties, it's now time for some training, which involves Goku and Vegeta taking turns sparring 17. Now Goku and Vegeta at full power would be as strong as resurrection of F base forms, meaning that they would able to surpass Frieza in their training. Goten and Trunks would visit the island to spend time with their dads and explore the island. Gohan also training with Piccolo in the gravity room, maybe even the hyperbolic time chamber. The other Z fighters continue training on their own to showing Earth's safety. After some time passes, Vegeta receives calls from Bulma about the sun arrival of future Trunks. After getting healed and coming down, Trunks explain the situation of Goku Black. They agree to help him out. Goku and Trunks having their sparring match like normal, with Goku and Vegeta being surprised that Trunks Super Saiyan 2 form as strong as Vegeta's Super Saiyan 2 and even rivals Goku's Super Saiyan 3 at a point. But Goku obviously win. Also after training with 17, Goku and Vegeta have power to the base form level in the canon. They would training with the Super Saiyan Blue level fighter, so the initial power gains are pretty much high. Since it take a day for time machine to be ready, Vegeta suggests Trunks moving into the time chamber. The next day Vegeta and Trunks enter the time chamber and starts training. 24 hours passes. Two Saiyans exist in the time chamber. Trunks feeling a lot more confident to fight Goku Black. The time machine is now ready. Goku, Vegeta and Trunks enter in time machine. It soon arrives in the future. Once Goku, Vegeta and Trunks arrived in the future, Black found them. The three Saiyans confronts Goku Black. Trunks begin to fight one-on-one with Black and completely overpowered him. That caused Black to transform Super Saiyan. Still Trunks hold his own. Then Vegeta takes the chance and joins the battle. Black fully beaten by Vegeta and Trunks. Zamasu shows up and healed Black and revealed their Zero Motor plan. Who Goku Black is. Black gets Genkai boost after beaten up and reveals his next evolution Super Saiyan Rose A. Goku and Vegeta are surprised. They didn't sense any energy and ask Black about it. Goku Black confused and find that they are come from another timeline where they didn't know about God Ki. He explained that the form is the advanced form of Super Saiyan God and it's can't sensed by a normal motor. The three Saiyans teamed up against Goku Black. Goku even uses Kaioken times 20 on top of the Super Saiyan 3. Even though they didn't have a chance, they all pretty beaten up and lose. They saved by Mai. Then Goku have an idea and he teleported to planet Namek and asked the Porunga to revive Shin about Super Saiyan God. Porunga explains the ritual of Super Saiyan God. Goku tells thanks to everyone on planet Namek and get back to the others with the Supreme Kai. Trunks surprised and apologized to Supreme Kai that he couldn't save him. Then Goku explains the ritual about Super Saiyan God to Vegeta and Trunks. But the problem is there isn't enough Saiyans. That's when Goku said, I'm not sure there isn't enough Saiyans. I feel their energy from long distance. Saiyans and the Supreme Kai also confused. But then Black appeared at the place. Black found where they are hiding and attacked them. Goku tells the Supreme Kai to take the remaining people to their planet. Supreme Kai did. Goku takes the Vegeta and Trunks to King Kai planet. Black didn't know where they gone. Goku, Vegeta and Trunks find another Goku on King Kai planet. That's future timeline Goku. Trunks explained the situation to future Goku. Then future Goku brought the other future Saiyans from afterlife, future Gohan and future Vegeta. Trunks get emotional after seeing Gohan so many years later. Future Vegeta also showing his love towards his son. But Goku tells them there is no time for this. So they decides to do ritual on Trunks. But there is another problem, that the Zamasu is immortal. That's when Supreme Kai appears and tells about a sealing technique. Now they done the ritual on Trunks and Goku asks Supreme Kai to give them Potara. Goku and Vegeta uses Potara and give the butt to Vegito once again. All are surprised because there is no one knows about this future, including Supreme Kai also, except our Goku and Vegeta. Trunks says final goodbye to his father and Gohan. Enter the battlefield. Goku Black shocked because he didn't know what happened. Vegito starts fight with Goku Black while Trunks and Supreme Kai tries to seal Zamasu. They success in sealing Zamasu. And on the other side, Super Saiyan Rose A, Goku Black and Super Saiyan 3 Vegito evenly matched. They are fighting so intentionally to kill one another. Then a sword passed through the chest of Goku Black. It's Super Saiyan God Trunks. Goku Black surprised and turned towards Trunks. Then a final Kamehameha completely disintegrates Goku Black. Vegito defeats. Finally, the future timeline saved. Trunks tells thanks to Goku and Vegeta. After a while, Trunks said that get in the time machine to get back their world. Vegeta said not so fast and looked at Goku. Goku gives them a smile and teleported to planet Namek. Remember, Goku used only 2 wishes. So he used third wish to restore planet Earth and asked Dende to be a new guardian for Earth. Trunks very happy because his mom get back to life and all the damage caused by the Goku Black restored. Goku back to his group with Dende. Dende restored the Earth's formal dragon and made the first wish to restore the all lives killed by Android 17 and 18. All the lives brought back to life, even Z Fighters also, except Vegeta and Goku. Because Vegeta didn't die on the hands of Android 17 and 18, and Goku also died with a heart virus, so they didn't brought back to life. Then they improves the power of dragon, so they can use 2 wishes. The second wish is bring back to life Vegeta. The wish actually worked. All the Z Fighters alive, including Vegeta, except future Trunks. Bulma felt very happy to see Trunks and Vegeta once again. Goku and Vegeta spent their time with others. Goku and future Vegeta having a rematch, and future Vegeta and Vegeta also have a match. Gohan and Chi-Chi so happy to see Goku once again. Seems pretty much happy. Goku and Vegeta back their own timeline. Trunks returned to the future to their timeline, but an unexpected arrival on future Trunks' timeline. It's Beerus. Beerus had been dead since Buu Saga. Shin alive, so Beerus alive too. He want to find out what happened. Thus another story, guys. Let's continue with another part next time on Saiyan God channel.